Open the host computer and click on the oscilloscope in the taskbar. Select the data need to be monitored in data channels. Select the I/O values need to be monitored in is the introduction of oscilloscope.